Hello, collective, and welcome to my channel, NUBODI. I am Latriviette, and I will be doing a general reading for the collective audience today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber of mine, welcome back, and thank you for your support. Please do hit the like button, though. It does help out the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So just want to remind folks to use your discernment when you're listening to and watching of tarot readings. Take responsibility for your own health and well-being, people. All right, now. So I'm going to ring my singing bowl, clear the energy, raise my vibration so that I'm able to get a clear and accurate message for you and for me. Here we go. All right, now let's get into it. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is for you today. So the overall energy from the Shadow and Light Oracle is Pink Lotus Fairy and Storm Angels. Okay, so there's a storm a brewing. Interesting energies out here. So there's a storm brewing. There's a collision of beliefs, styles, and attitudes and energies towards people's current realities, what's going on with people today. And this storm angel is coming to warn folks about it. It's card number 35. 35 breaks down to 8. 8 is about manifestation. So some people manifested this. They manifested this storm, and they don't know how to act about it. Storm warnings, Storm Angel talks about there may be arguments, even angry situations and fights at the moment. You will uncover the truth about a situation, as no one can lie when this angel is about her work. So you might be finding out some truth and clarity, collective. Pink Lotus talks about a time for spirit, but it's in the reverse. So let me tell you what it says. It's card number 43. 43 is about reflection and introspection, and it's in the reverse, time for spirit. So off the bat, you know that someone's not going within, someone's not connecting, or maybe they're not able to go within, or maybe they're not able to connect. But here's what it says. It says third eye and crown chakra activation, chakra awakening, connection to all, crown chakra connected to the universe, receiving universal love and messages, self-connected peacefully to the earth, peaceful flowing energy in the body, tranquil, sublime spiritual moments of connection, blessings showering upon you due to correct relationships with body and soul. And it's in the reverse. So someone's crown chakra and third eye chakra could be blocked, or those gifts could have been removed. Okay, because it says third eye and crown chakra activation, awakening. If someone's not awakening to what's going on, or they're not able to see. And I said this in my earlier video. Oh, was it today? It was not today. It was yesterday. Whatever video says they can't see, they can no longer see, that's the energy that I am picking up on. There's a group of people who no longer have their gifts, and that's what I'm getting here. And there's a storm coming, and they can't see it. They know something is coming, but they don't know what it is. So let's get into it. Let's get into this read here. Holy Spirit, what do we need to know about this energy? Who's being blocked? And this storm coming in. What do we need to know about this storm coming in? Please and thank you. Mature woman. Oh, mature woman. Earth angel, she just came on out here. So what do we need to know about this? That's too many cards. So we got flying monkey, we got voodoo, we got single, sexy, and successful. I'm going to take it. So the voodoo is in reverse. So it means it was blocked. Mature woman's in the upright. Lately, we've been talking about a mature woman, but a mature woman can still be an earth angel. There's some flying monkeys doing some voodoo towards her. It was blocked, stopped, and dropped. She's still single and successful. So keep in mind, again, I've been saying this before, but mature woman, or how you see a mature woman, is subjective. Mature woman could be 40 and up, 50 and up, 60 and up. So don't quite know what the age is, but mature woman in the upright could be someone respected in the community, the neighborhood, at work. This person's an earth angel. Someone did some stuff to this earth angel. They did some voodoo. Some flying monkeys are still out here doing voodoo, even when things are being blocked, dropped, and stopped. Even when voodoo is being returned. There's a storm coming, and these people can't see it. Let's get awakening. This earth angel has had awakening, or this mature woman has had an awakening on her path. But whoever is doing this voodoo, they're not having the awakening. Their crown chakras are blocked. They're blocked from connecting. They're blocked from seeing. And so the energy that I'm getting or picking up on is that you can block your own crown, your own chakras, just by the things that you do and say, your environment, foods you eat. There are so many ways that you alone can block your chakras. But when the divine not only blocks it but removes it, I don't know if it's removed, but I think the gift of sight, the gift of hearing has been removed. They're unable to see this storm coming. Let's get into it. Holy Spirit, what do we need to know about this situation here as it relates to the collective? Please and thank you. Building blocks. So this mature woman or earth angel could be building something. Could be a business. Could be anything. Could be just herself. Rebuilding herself after going through voodoo or being hit with attacks. It's card number 28. 28 reduces to 10. 10 is about completion. So whatever this mature woman or earth angel is building, it's about to be complete. Regeneration. Regeneration is about things growing after a storm, fire, maybe an illness, regenerating cells. It's in the reverse. Someone tried to burn down whatever this mature woman was trying to build. They were trying to stop it from being complete. It's card number 46. 46 reduces to 10. You got 10 in the upright, 10 in the reverse. They tried to stop it. They tried to stop the completion of whatever she was building. All that glitters. All that glitters is in the reverse. All that glitters in the upright talks about something not being what it seems, something being false. Confirmation. In the reverse, all that glitters is saying, yeah, this glitter, this is real gold. This is real deal Holyfield. They try to block something, an earth angel, because they thought the earth angel wasn't a real earth angel. They tried to stop the growth. I just heard prophesize or prophecy. Maybe it was prophesized long ago that this person would grow up to be an earth angel, or this person has or incarnated as an earth angel, however you want to word that. And they didn't believe it. They were sending a lot of attacks to this earth angel. It says collision of beliefs, which means someone told them that this was an earth angel and they didn't believe it. So they wanted to see for themselves by attack. It's card number 16. 16 reduces to 7. 7 is about reflection and introspection. It's in the reverse. They had no thoughts about it and didn't care. It was like attack. Peace. All this earth angel wants is peace. They want to disrupt this peace by blocking this earth angel's gifts. Whatever gifts that may be. They're trying to block the gifts by disrupting the peace. It's card number 29. 29 reduces to, it's card number 27. 27 reduces to 9. 9 is about things coming to fruition. They don't want these gifts to come to this earth angel, but they're going to come anyways. They think by blocking the gifts that there will be no peace for this earth angel. But they already know the earth angel is the real deal, Holyfield. So I don't know if they have what beliefs they have or attitudes they have towards the earth angel in terms of what they think an earth angel is or does. But they're trying to stop it. Someone's having an awakening about this. Because this earth angel is still single, successful, sexy, despite the voodoo that the flying monkeys have been throwing at her. There's a storm coming. What else do we need to know about this situation, please? And thank you, Holy Spirit. Patience and planning. Patience and planning falls upon building blocks. They're both in the upright. This earth angel or mature woman has been patiently moving forward, planning and doing despite the attacks. Going inwards, card number 7, reflection and introspection. Going inward, connecting, tapping in, checking in. Am I still on the right path? Yep. All right. Discontent and boredom. It's in the reverse. They tried to get this mature woman or earth angel off her path with some other things, but it didn't work. Discontent and boredom is in the reverse. She's enjoying her life. I feel like these people thought one thing about her, all that glitters. And they're finding out that the things that they thought were important to her were actually not. And that she was enjoying life with less. or not the fancy stuff, not all the glitter. I see what you did there, Holy Spirit. Oh, snap. New beginning. New beginnings in the reverse. New beginning in the reverse falls upon flying monkeys. Storm angel. There's a storm coming. New beginning is 0. That means nothing. They didn't want a new beginning for this earth angel. They didn't want anything for this earth angel. They didn't want this earth angel to have the gifts, that the divine gave, that the universe blessed this earth angel with. They didn't want her to have those. 0, that's nothing. The waiting game. The waiting game falls upon voodoo. They did this voodoo, now they're waiting to see what happens. But the thing about it is, the voodoo's in reverse. That means it was blocked. That means it didn't work. That means it didn't touch the earth angel. Waiting game is about divine timing, though. They think that they're waiting to see if this voodoo will take effect. Excuse me. But in actuality, it's divine timing taking effect because the storm is coming. These people are not going to have a new beginning. While they patiently plan, and I don't even think that they patiently plan because they didn't, they did this impulsively without thought. I don't like that earth angel. Off with her head. Just because they didn't like this earth angel, just because the glitter on this earth angel didn't sparkle like they thought it should, they want to take the earth angel out. They want to do away with the earth angel, with this voodoo. Base chakra. Confirmation. Base chakra is the root chakra, it's the first chakra. Try to knock this earth angel off her chakra. The base chakra is about structure and stability. It's the first chakra. It's about being grounded. They want to unground this earth angel so that they lose their gifts, basically. And the gifts could be anything. The gifts could be, actual spiritual gifts, physical gifts, all kinds of gifts. But they're waiting to see if this voodoo that they did will take effect and that the earth angel will not have new beginnings, whatever area of life that they deemed she was not worthy of. New beginnings in love, new beginnings in career, new beginnings in finances. Whatever the new beginnings was, they didn't want her to have it. There's a storm coming. What else do we need to know, Holy Spirit? Please and thank you about this situation as it reflects the collective. Heart, home, and compassion. This earth angel built a home. Regardless of where the home is, this earth angel built one. It could be in the car. It could be under the bridge. It could be just a room in someone else's home. But wherever it is, this earth angel still had compassion for people. Her heart was still open for people. And for that, she will be blessed. She didn't attack. She didn't come after the flying monkeys. She didn't return voodoo with voodoo. She continued building. Heart home is card number 27. Someone could be born 1972. 27 reduces to 9. Cycles ended. Things coming to fruition. So this earth angel could be getting a new home, could be moving into a new home, her home. New beginnings. What did I say? It's card number 41. 41 reduces to 5. 5 is about change. This earth angel, steadfast, stayed focused and grounded, regardless of what was being thrown at her. She's being blessed with new beginnings. Moon maiden, it's green energy, earth energy. Could be Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. This heart, home, compassion is red energy, fire, action, building a home. I think this earth angel, or whoever the earth angel is, take it as it resonates in your story, about to move, get a new home. Netcaster, preparations come to fruition. What did I say? Planning, patience and planning. Preparations come to fruition. Whatever was being built by this earth angel is about to come to fruition, despite the fact that this earth angel was attacked day after day, hour after hour, minute after minute. Anywho, card number 46, card number 42. I got all hyped up in my singing. Card number 42. 42 reduces to 6. Balance, harmony. It's green energy, grounding, earth energy. Perfect storm. It's in the reverse. It says the courage to step into life. It's in the reverse. Whatever they were preparing, it's not coming to fruition for them. Perfect storm falls upon the waiting game. The attacks that these flying monkeys sent to this earth angel, they were designed to, one, make her afraid, not having the courage to step into life. That's what they wanted. It's card number 44. Structure and stability. They want this person constantly in a fight or flight. They want this person constantly in, oh my gosh, this is happening, that's happening. Or when the one fire is put out, another fire starts. And that's what they were doing. But a storm is coming. When the storm comes, storm's gonna wipe away everything. Regeneration is in the reverse. Some things for some people are not going to grow back. Magician's sword, confidence in your magic. It's in the reverse. Someone's magic ain't magicking. It's not working. And because of that, they're lacking confidence. If you don't have confidence in your magic, magic's not going to work. So either someone's not skilled at their magic, or their magic is being blocked, or the magic has been weakened. As in my earlier post today, someone was ill and the magic is weakened. It's card number 37. Someone could be born 1973. 37 reduces to 10. Completion. It's not completed. Magic, whatever they were doing, preparations or preparing for fruition, it's not coming to fruition. It's not completed. Has something to do with destruction, stability. So they were trying to crash down this earth angel's structure and stability so that the earth angel could not have a livelihood or a way of life, because they're always, you know, this person got fired and this person lost their home and their car, and it was one thing after another. But the earth angel kept moving. Now the earth angel is about to be blessed beyond whatever they took from the earth angel. The earth angel's getting back that and then some. Magic's not working. Storm is coming. Where's this energy coming from, Holy Spirit? Let's get some states and some countries. I just saw Massachusetts. Got Ohio and Connecticut out here. Ohio and Connecticut. You could be from Ohio or Connecticut. They could be from Ohio. Now keep in mind, it says flying monkey, so that's plural. That means there's several people involved. New Hampshire. Get one more. Minnesota. All right, now. Let's get, what's the vibe, Holy Spirit? What's the vibe? See what's going on. What do we need to know? What's the vibe, Holy Spirit? Please and thank you. They're stuck, stagnant, dead end, frozen. They're unable to move forward. Nothing will grow. Nothing will come to fruition. That they have, the seeds that they planted will not grow. Seeds that they planted will not grow. Regeneration's in the reverse. So they're stuck. Somebody misses you. They want to talk. They want to talk now because they are stuck. They see that what you planted, patience and planning, is coming to fruition. They see signs of it. And they want to talk now because they're stuck. They're a psychopath. Abusive. Could be abusive mentally, emotionally, physically. Abusive, definitely spiritually, doing voodoo. Voodoo is about manipulation. So this is someone in lustful energy. They see that you're established or getting established, secure, and about to become wealthy. They want to connect now. They want to connect, see what you have going on, because they don't have new beginnings. Somebody misses your laughter, collective. Your laughter was healing to them. Yet they did voodoo on you. They're at a distance. They could have ghosted you, but they missed your laughter. This person is clingy, so this could be an ex that misses your laughter, who's at a distance. This person is could be getting a divorce or separated. They want to come in. That's why they're in that lustful energy. They felt like you were nurturing towards them. but they sent you voodoo. They thought you were smart. They thought you were smart, but not smart enough to know that they were doing this and what they were doing. They're suffering. That's a confirmation. Suffering in silence. They don't want people to know. I feel like this person is still married or is in a relationship. They may be separated or getting a divorce. They're puzzled, confused, perplexed because they're stuck and they don't know which direction to go in. They had a plan of action, and that was to destroy you. That was their plan. That didn't work. So now they're stuck. Okay, what do we do now? This person's still alive and kicking. What do we do now? Let's get some tea on the voodoo. Holy Spirit, what do we need to know about the voodoo? What do we need to know about the voodoo that was blocked? Says you will witness their karma, collective. Storm is coming. They don't see it coming. They don't know when it's going to come. But it's coming. And you will witness their karma. Claiming credit over your success. So someone wants to come in and jump on your bandwagon after you've done very well, after you've put in all the work. They want to say, oh, I helped this person out. I did this and I did that. When they actually didn't do anything. It says, beware of anyone from the past wanting to enter back into your life. What did I say? They want to hop back in on the bandwagon just as your success is taking off, and they want to be there and say, oh, I helped this person out and I gave this person money and confirmation. Ooh, excuse me. They did this and they did that for you. But they didn't. Person causing you negativity is an air sign. So air signs are Libra, I believe Aquarius, and Gemini. What else? Let's wrap this up. It says seek someone to perform or learn to do a hex-breaking ritual. So if the voodoo did go through to hit you, it was to wake you up, get you on your path, get you on your journey, get you in line with spell work, basically. How can you attack spell work if you don't know anything about it? So if you feel like there is a hex on your life or a curse, and this is not your line of work, you may have to solicit someone to remove it. But you got to tap in because you can't trust everyone. Everyone's out here for a dollar. And they could make you far worse than what you were before. So tap in, vet whoever it is you are looking to get work done by. So let's close this out with some positive movements forward. Let's get some zodiacs first. See what's going on. What kind of signs do we have today? Oh, snap. I believe this is an Aries, Cancer, and Aquarius. So we have Aries, Cancer, and Aquarius. You could be, they could be, we could be. Holy Spirit, what are some positive movements forward, please and thank you? Positive movement forward. What do we need to do? Oh, snap. Not for you. This is a time to accept that what you desire is not meant for you. Something much better is on its way. So that could mean a lot of things. Someone coming back into your life, wanting to claim success, claim your success. That's not for you. Someone wanting to come back into your life after they done sent you all kinds of the bug on my slipper. Someone wanting to come back into your life after they done sent all kinds of attacks and seeing that you're still alive and kicking. Not for you. So again, you got to tap in. Your crown chakra works. Your third eye works. You need to tap in, find out who is for you and who is not for you. Cancer energy. Cancer energy is about emotions, home, nurture. It says you're being encouraged to be the one who has an understanding and forgiving heart to achieve a positive outcome. That was in my earlier reading. You have to understand your situation in order to move forward in a positive direction. And that's part of the lessons, understanding why you went through what you went through. If you don't know why you went through what you went through, you're going to go through it again. Next time it'll be harder. You might not make it through the next time. So understanding it the first time to achieve a positive outcome. It says knowledge. Demonstrate your willingness to learn, whether personally or professionally. Be willing to make mistakes. Some mistakes are costly, so you need to know what you need to know the first time. And some mistakes are okay to make. You're like, okay, I learned from that. I won't do it again, though. Pisces energy, psychic sensitivity and subconsciousness or subconscious. Focus and commit yourself to your spiritual growth or practice to be able to receive the gifts of the divine. How can you receive the gifts of the divine if you're not tapping in, or if you're not, this is not what you want to be a part of? Gotta connect to your angelic team in order to navigate your life properly. All right, let's get this angel message. 785. Angel number 785 says, trepidation. Stop avoiding it. Your angels note that you've been spending a lot of time and energy avoiding your fears instead of facing them head on. They want you to first focus on what you fear most and then dive into it more deeply. Take a closer look at it today and examine how it came to be. When you face your fear, sometimes you realize that what you were fearing really wasn't that bad. I really had a fear of being homeless, and I had no idea where that fear came from. I became homeless. I'm not going to say it's not bad because it was rough. I'm not going to say, did I die? But face your fears because sometimes they're not as bad as you think they are. You're being asked to do that now. Yeah. So that is your message, and I thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.